You want to make sure you turn your breaker off going to the dishwasher. You want to cut off the water supply going to the dishwasher. You want to remove any screws that you have holding the dishwasher in place. You're going to need to remove this screw here, and there's going to be one on the other side. There's going to be one at the bottom you'll need to remove as well. This is my new dishwasher. I've already pulled the old one out, but taking your old one out and putting this one back in is going to be the same process. You just need to reverse what we're doing here. So your water line is going to be hooked up right here. And you can see you're just going to need to disconnect that. If you look in the very back here, right here, that's where your drain hose is going to be. You need to disconnect that. And then there's going to be a box located right here. On your old machine, you'll want to remove the screw holding this box in place. You'll have these 3 wires here connected with wire nuts to your main supply right here, and I've already disconnected that. Once you disconnect your wiring, the dishwasher will pull right back out, and then you want to put your new dishwasher back in place. Do remove your wiring from your old dishwasher. It's going to be held in with a clip, hopefully something similar to what I have here. Just push in both sides of your clip, because we're going to feed that here through this hole, and it's going to hold our wire in place. Okay, so we're ready to run our wires through there. When you do that, it'll just snap in place. So this is easy to wire up. White will go with white. The black wire will go to the black wire. The green wire will go to your ground wire. We're going to do that using the wire nuts. This is what it should look like when you're all finished. I'm actually going to reuse my old drain hose because I don't want to run the new one. If you decide you're going to run a new hose, you'll just need to disconnect this guy here and just reroute your new one, but this one's still in good shape, so I'm going to use it. The most frustrating thing about this install is your water inlet piece here is not going to have what you need to connect your water line to it. You have to make a special trip to the hardware store and get the right fittings. They do sell these washing machine elbows here. I then had to buy a reducer to go from 3/4 to 1/2 inch. All right, this is what they look like. This is my elbow, this is my reducer, and I'm going to wrap both of these end male pieces with Teflon tape. We're going to put these 2 together first, and then we'll hand tighten this guy here to the inlet valve. Also ran some Teflon tape on the inlet valve here. You want to make sure that when you do this, you want to run it away from you, so that way whenever you screw that on, it's not going to come off. Be careful whenever you're putting your elbow on up top here. You want to make sure that you don't over tighten it, and the last thing you want to do is break anything off there. We're just going to check, make sure we don't have any leaks. Thanks for watching.